Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on Facebook. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Facebook app, then you want to head to the gear icon and launch the settings and privacy. Here, let's make it easy. Let me give you the shortcut. Just click on the just click on the magnifying glass on the top right corner. Okay, and then I want you to type history. Okay, there you have it. You click on search history and Facebook will simply launch all the apps that you have, all the Instagram pages, all the Facebook pages, all the Facebook accounts you have. There are plenty of ways that you can actually approach this. You can click on clear all searches over here, and it will give you an option to delete all the search history that you have during the last hour, yesterday, or all time. This is very important and very different if you compare with Instagram. I will make a separate video showing you on Instagram things look a little more different, a little more customization. Here, you either can keep the short-term history or delete everything. It's as black and white as it can be. According to Facebook, choose the time frame to clear all of your searches from your accounts. This will remove your searches on every device. Very important, you can't undo this action. So it is not like if you delete it from here on your iPhone and if you log in through your iPad or iMac, it will be different. No, once when you pick up device, you choose the account, you choose the time frame, and you delete the search history, and this will automatically go all the way through all devices linked to this same account. And this is how you clear all your search history on Facebook. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.